Within 12 days, more than 50 million people witnessed my journey. Now, huh? What the hell is this, guys? What? Noodle, stay low! What the fuck? Jumo? What? Ah! Oh, it was a dream. Wow, phew. Coming back, you people got me here. I started with just 3 followers. Tap on this to watch the beginning of all this. Your curiosity powered me till here. Thank you. Without you guys, I'd still be 400,000 steps away from my destination. This is day 13 of me walking daily towards the house to know what's inside.